Hi, love bug. So, a question that I get asked all the time is, Priya, can I manifest my desired love life without taking any action? And the short and simple answer is yes, you absolutely can. Now, I'm not only going to explain to you the why, but I'm actually going to show you how. So, the first thing that you want to understand is that what you desire in your love life, whether that's your dream partner, a specific person, or a better version of your current relationship, this already exists. So, your desire is done. Okay, it is already available to you right now. It already exists in the quantum field, in the field of potentiality, and therefore, your only job is to allow it into your reality. So, then you might be thinking, okay, well, how do I do this? Simply by becoming an energetic match to the vibrational signature of your desire. Now, when you do this, what will happen is that you will become privy to a bridge of events. Now, the bridge of events has been set up by your higher self, God, source, the universe, whatever you want to call it. And when you're on this bridge of events, what is happening is that you are being led from where you are to where you want to be, through a bridge of incidences that will unfold, and here's the key, naturally and effortlessly. So what this means in terms of action is that the only action that you're ever taking is for the joy of it, because it's exciting to you and because it is satisfying to you. Conversely, if you're not on the bridge of events, which means you're not yet an energetic match to your desire, this is when every action that you take feels like you have to work at it. You know, it feels like you're forcing it, like you're trying to make it happen, or like you're trying to manipulate it into place. If you're taking action to try and make something happen, then it's an indicator that you're not on the bridge of events. So manifesting your desired love life is really about getting you to a state of consciousness that allows you to activate and perceive this bridge of events that is already available to you right now, this very second. So then you might be thinking, well, Priya, how do I allow myself to perceive this bridge of events? How do I get onto the bridge of events so that I'm not taking any action to make my manifestation happen? This is about raising your consciousness to match the vibrational signature of your desire. And if you want to know how to do this, I have created a new web class called 6 Steps to Manifest Your Epic Love Life, where I show you step by step exactly how to do this, and nothing is left out. So if you want to learn how to manifest your desired love life without taking any action, so that you can perceive the bridge of events that will effortlessly lead you to your manifestation, you want to click the link somewhere on this video to get access to my free web class right now. Mwah.